Hey, what's up guys? My name is Anand and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about LinkedIn document ads. So let's get started. LinkedIn Documents Ads is a new feature that will allow you to promote your documents, and it can be ebooks, PDFs, slideshows, guides, tip sheets, case studies, data sheets, reports, anything that is in a PDF document, PowerPoint format, any document that you want to promote, you can now do that through LinkedIn ads, which is fantastic. So let's understand like what exactly is LinkedIn ads and when would you use it, what type of format you can use, and also let's understand like how do you go about setting up LinkedIn document ads. All right, so the first thing is what exactly is LinkedIn document ads. Now, as I said, this is a new feature which will allow you to promote documents directly in the feed, which is fantastic. And the other thing is members can read and download the content without having to leave. I think this is one of the best and the most important advantage and the unique feature of LinkedIn document ads. Users will no longer have to click on your ad, go to a landing page, fill out a form, and download the document. They can consume that information within LinkedIn, which is absolutely critical. Now, I'm sure many of you who follow account-based marketing or who learn about account-based marketing for business to business, you know that ungating the content is this new trend. Well, I don't know if it's a new trend, but there's a lot of chatter around social media about it. So if you want to ungate your content and if you want to give out informational content for free, or if you want to provide these value added content to your audience without having them to fill out the form, then document ads would be fantastic. Now, speaking about people who are running lead gen ads, you can still generate leads through document ads, which is again an advantage. So with document ads, you can share your content freely or you can generate leads. So there are two different ways you can go about promoting your content. Now, when to use document ads? Well, couple of examples or couple of use cases are if you want to build brand awareness and really nurture your audience by providing informational content, or it can be technical content, it can be about research paper, case studies, anywhere you want to build brand awareness and engagement, you can use document ads. If you want to collect leads, again, that's a fantastic option. Now think about this. If you were to simply generate leads through your website, the process would be to set up a landing page, a form, then a thank you page, and on that thank you page you will have a button to download the form. It's a lot of steps for the user, right? They will first have to click on your ad, then go to a landing page, view that information, then fill out the form, and then get the document. Well, no longer is the case with document ads. You can collect leads directly. You can boost engagement, you can measure topic and content interest, and ultimately you can become a trusted source of information. So those are some opportunities or use cases of when to use document ads. A few other ideas: you can use document ads to again promote ebooks and slides, demonstrate best practice via guides and tips, showcase case studies, share data and insights via reports, generate leads, which I just spoke about, and share how to guides. So these are some additional use cases of running document ads. Now the next question is what type of documents you can use. Well, the most safest and the most commonly used format is PDF, but you can use like Microsoft DocX, Doc, PowerPoint, and PPTX. You can create a document up to 300 pages, which is massive. I don't think anyone would ever do that unless you're selling a digital version of your book. So I would say 300 pages is too much. I mean, 2 to 3 pages or max 10 pages for your case study is more than enough to engage with your audience. You can use vertical or horizontal aspect ratio and a max file size of 100 megabytes. Now, all these details will be available on LinkedIn's documentation, but I'm just giving you for a reference, pretty widely used formats, 300 pages, 100 megabytes. I think that's more than sufficient for most of the companies and most of the brands. The other advantage, and this is again pretty neat feature, you can do some pretty solid reporting. You can measure clicks, which is pretty standard, but you can also measure download clicks, viral download clicks, which is when someone viewed your ad and they shared it, and then that person then downloaded your document. That's viral download clicks. Total engagement and completions, which is fantastic. You can now get to see or get to know how many people have completed consuming that content or that document, which is fantastic. And finally, this is the best part. LinkedIn allows you to perform conversion tracking. Now I'm pretty excited about this because I like conversion tracking, and if you have watched my previous videos, most of my videos on Google Ads and Facebook ads, there is a segment about conversion tracking. Now LinkedIn allows you to perform conversion tracking through document ads. So again, that's a pretty nice feature as well. So you can actually get to know like cost per lead, cost per conversion, or cost per document consumption, which I don't think is a metric that has been mentioned by anyone. I'm going to probably copyright that. Cost per document consumption. CD, cost CPDC. That's pretty mouthful. Anyways, let's move on. All right, so that's pretty much it. I'm going to quickly show you how to create a document ad or how you can go about it. So let's see. All right, I'm into my LinkedIn campaign manager. You just have to click on create new campaign. I'm gonna select the same ad group. So typically, you can use. I think you can use brand awareness and engagement, or any of these two, or actually any of these three objectives. But let's select engagement over here, for instance, and I'm just gonna leave everything as it is. And this is where you can see you can create your document ad. So create ads for documents, slides, or guides that show up in LinkedIn feed. I'm gonna quickly change the campaign objective just to show you that you can use it for brand awareness, like I said. So you can use brand awareness as well. And if you wanna change to lead generation, you can use document ad. So as I said, this particular ad format is available for pretty much all three campaign objective. So let's choose engagement for now. I'm gonna change engagement. I'm gonna keep as it is. Click on document ad. All right, and then what you do is, let's say I select. I don't want to burn that much of budget, but okay, let's do $10. That's fine. Bloody blah. Okay, bidding is engagement clicks. You can change it over here, and you can set to like impressions, but I would recommend keeping as engagement clicks, which is basically trying to reach as many people as possible and they click on your document ad, right? So I'll leave it as it is. And there are a few other options. Cost cap is trying to get as many results as possible while staying under budget. So let's say your CPDC, cost per document consumption metric, and if you want to set a ceiling to that, then you can choose this, but I will leave it as maximum delivery. I'm not gonna create a new conversion. If you need to know how to do that, let me know in the comment section and I can create a separate video, but I will leave this as it is. Click next, save, and this is where you create a new ad. So you click on learn more about creating effective Facebook proposals, convert clients in a heartbeat. All right, I'm just gonna add a dummy text and things over here, and then I'm going to choose document, and let's see, I will select this template over here, which is a free Facebook marketing proposal template, which I've just found from internet. It's uploading. Alrighty, now the upload is complete. Headline, blah blah blah, and look at this. There you go. Your document ad is ready to roll. So pretty standard, very quick, very effective. I would say definitely make use of it, and I think this will be one of the best, formats, I would say, in terms of engagement with your audience. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Please do subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Thank you.